Hello, it's me, Brian, with TeachSelfAwareness.com. On this channel, you're going to get practices, concepts, techniques, and ways to enhance your self-awareness. Now, self-awareness is super important because everything we face in life, we experience through ourselves. So, subscribe to the channel, watch the videos, share the videos and discuss them, try the practices, and see what type of results you get. I know for me, I have more power throughout my day, more emotional power. I have more of a presence in the things I do during the day. I'm more present, aware, awake, and in tune with the moment. Also, I'm more productive. I have the ability to get more done with less energy. I'm working smarter, not harder. And ultimately, this all leads to more peace, more serenity, more security, more ease, more comfort. Now that's the type of benefits that these videos, these practices, this channel is here to deliver to you. So, enjoy yourself, enjoy the channel, enjoy the world, enjoy your awareness.